At the beginning of fall last year, I bought this 40-year-old garden tractor. And at the time, it was really just to replace a snowblower that wasn't doing the job anymore. And, I didn't set out to make a point about old equipment, but after spending some time with it, something became very clear to me. This machine still matters, and not for the reason that I expected. What surprised me first was how straightforward everything is. Nothing is hidden, nothing feels sealed off or inaccessible, and nothing is disposable. You can tell this tractor was designed to be used and maintained and fixed and not replaced. There's a confidence to the way this thing is built. You can tell this thing was designed with intention. It's not trendy or flashy. Okay, maybe the bright orange is a little bit flashy. But I also realized something else. This tractor really wasn't built to impress anybody. It was built to be trusted. And I think this is where you really start to understand it. Well, it's time. And according to our patio table barometer, we have about 8 inches of snow. It's like 18 outside, so I'm going to bundle up to drive this thing. Don't quite have the cab yet. But I did get the tire chains installed. All right. What I discovered isn't that old machines are better. It's that some things were built with a different assumption. That they'd be kept and understood and depended on. And I think that has tremendous value today.